Hi, my dear students. How are you all? Are you safe at home? Okay. Today we are going to start our 11th chapter, The Earth We Inhabit. Okay, my dears. Are you ready? Okay. Chapter 11, The Earth We Inhabit. Dear children, do you know what is Earth? Yes, Earth is our home, right? Our Earth is the home of all living things. Dear children, in your textbook, some writings are given. Did you see it? Okay, shall we can go through it? Okay. Years ago, there was a captain named Magellan. His full name was Ferdinand Magellan. He was a Portuguese navigator. Dear children, do you know who is a navigator? The person who directs the route of a ship is called a navigator. The Portuguese navigator Magellan, he left his country on a yacht. Yacht means a sailing boat. Before 500 years ago, Magellan left his country from a sailing boat. Listen here, dear children. In this video, we can see the journey of Magellan. He travelled along so many countries. The facilities were very limited at that time. So, the journey was very difficult. But he continued his travelling. So many days, months and years passed. Magellan continued his travelling. And after several years, he reached his country. It was a great surprise to Magellan because before several years, he started his journey from his country. And after so many years, he reached his country again. After reaching his country, he told to his people that he discovered that the earth is round. Okay, my dears, so now we know that our earth is round in shape. That is why Magellan could reach his country again after the long journey of several years. Okay, dears, did you understand about the journey of Magellan? Okay. Dear children, did you know what is its name? Okay, teacher will tell you. Look here, dears. Is there any similarities between these two pictures? Yes, both of them are round in shape. The object that you seen in the first picture is similar to our earth, right? So, we can say it as globe. So, what is a globe? Yes, globe is a model of earth. Okay, dears, did you understand about globe? Okay, so now we know that our earth is round in shape, right? Okay, then what is the shape of sun and moon? Yes, the shape of sun and moon is also round. Okay, my dears, did you understand? Okay, now it's time for doing the activity. It is given in your textbook of page number 142. Some objects are given in your textbook. You have to put a tick mark against the objects that are similar to the earth. Okay, my dears, I hope you understand the topics that we discussed on today. Now it's time for winding up our today's class. See you in the next class.